Welcome to my channel. Tandoori chicken. Let's make delicious tandoori chicken restaurant style. First we take and add yogurt. Tandoori masala added. Lemon. Salt. Ground ginger, garlic, or green chili. Put this paste in it. Mixed well. Add chicken in it. Make a deep cut inside the chicken so that the spices go inside. Mixed well. Leave it for 1 hour. Now we will put the chicken in the oven. Apply oil. Put chicken in it. Apply oil in chicken. Ready for eat. Delicious tandoori chicken. Garnish with lemon and onion. Alhamdulillah. Soft and juicy tandoori chicken. Thanks for watching.